this type of players, they need less intensive game for them to use it to, yes, improve, adapt, yes, to the Premier League, to big team pressure, yes. So Keenan is for this kind of games. For this game, he can even play 90 minutes. I don't care. But Premier League, where we needed to win, you bench Cole Palmer and put in Keenan. For that one, that is madness. I'm telling you, that is madness from Enzo Maresca, guys. We have to score an early goals, convert our chances, kill our chances. And Maresca, please, Maresca, don't underrate them. Don't come out with a weak starting 11 as you are always been doing. We don't want a weak starting 11 because not every day is a rainy day. Not every day that you do mistake and at the end you come and correct it in the second half. Sometimes it doesn't even work. So guys, let's hope Maresca doesn't come out with a weak starting 11. Yes, to underrate them. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richmond. In fact, guys, this is the preview of Legia Warszawa. Legia Warszawa versus Chelsea game, our Conference League quarterfinal. Yes. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my starting 11 and my score prediction for this game. So please watch this video till the end. And don't forget to do what? Hit the like button and hit the subscription button. Yes, when I see the numbers, it give me the motivation to give you more videos. So please smash the like button, smash the subscription button. Let's go to the game from Maresca press conference. In fact, Jorgensen will be on goal. And in my starting 11, yes, Jorgensen is on goal. It will come soon, so please continue watching. From Maresca, Jorgensen is meant for the Conference League, and Sanchez is meant for the Premier League. In fact, in the middle of the season, he turned it around. Yes, he benched Sanchez in some of the Premier League games and started using Jorgensen. But we thought it is going to continue like that, not knowing that since Maresca is dating Sanchez's sister, he turned it again. Maresca turned the table. When Maresca go home, Sanchez's sister keep on warning him. Hey, if you don't let my brother play, you will see what will happen to you tonight. Yes. So Maresca retains Sanchez to be our Premier League goalkeeper. Yes. So guys, Jorgensen will be on goal, and those injured, Fofana and Lavia. Yes. These two players are injured, and apart from these two players, everybody is available. Rhys James and co. Yes, everybody. Yes. Who? Yes, everybody. Achille and co. Yes, Jose Achampon. Maresca said they are ready. Try George. All the young guys are available. Yes. Keenan, Drosboro, Hall. Yes. Cole Palmer and co. Justin and co. They are eligible to play this game. Yes. So guys, let's come and talk about the analysis of this game. How should Chelsea approach this game in order to win it comfortable, or how can Chelsea win this game comfortable? But to be honest, this game, I won't lie, my one eye is on this game and my other eye on the ECWC Town game coming. Yes, I'm telling you, that game is very, very important for me, particularly for me. The first leg, we could not win that game. Yes, I can still, it still pains me up to now as a Chelsea fan. So my concentration this week is on the ECWC Town game. Charlie, we have to give it to them to at least 3-0 or 4-0, and I will be satisfied. And can our Chelsea do it? That game preview is also coming. So please, this is the right channel for you for any Chelsea. Yes, let's come to the game analysis. In fact, this game, let's respect them. Guys, to be honest, we have to respect them. If you want to beat any opponent very well, beat him mercilessly, first of all, you have to respect him and identify their stronghold, their strong point, their powers, what they use to score their goals, what they use to play very well, their tactical power, and put a stop to it. Yes, that is how good managers do. So this game, that is their home. If you go there and say they are Legia, they are not at our level. Yes, we are not in the same level, but we are playing in the same league tournament. So for that matter, we have to show them respect. And this game, I want our guys to score early goals. Yes, so that we can kill their momentum, their power as soon as possible. Yes, killed their vim. Yes, just finish the game within maybe 60th to 65th minutes. I don't want this game to even reach 70th. 60th to 65th minutes, just finish this game so that we can substitute our first 11 players for the Premier League. Yes, they can rest preparing for the ECWC Town game, the most wanted game. Yes. So guys, this game, I am expecting early goals from our players. They must convert their chances. they must score early goals. And also, Chelsea should avoid conceding early goal. I'm telling you. See, if we do any mistake and concede early goal, their fans, see, everything is at their backyard in favor of them. Their fans will come out with their numbers because they are playing against Chelsea. They are playing against the Pride of London. The only team in London having Champions League trophy. So the fans will come out too. Everybody in Poland will see, the whole of Poland, particularly those living around that area, the stadium, everybody will be there. The stadium will be packed to the fullest capacity. I'm telling you, to come and support Legia. So if we do any mistake and concede early goal, we are done. See, it will be very, very difficult. Even if we are going to win the game again, they will want to play draw. Yes, to at least get a point from that. So we have to score an early goal, convert our chances, kill our chances. And Maresca, please, Maresca, don't underrate them. Don't come out with a weak starting 11 as you are always been doing. We don't want a weak starting 11 because not every day is a rainy day. Not every day that you do mistake and at the end you come and correct it in the second half. Sometimes it doesn't even work. So guys, let's hope Maresca doesn't come out with a weak starting 11. Yes, to underrate them. And this is my starting 11 for this game. I start Georgeson on goal and Badiashile and Tosin Adorabiyu. As I said, we have to take this game seriously. And Badiashile, some days he is good. Yes, some days he plays. Even Premier League games, he normally deliver. Yes, but some days Badiashile is Badiashile. Yes. And the left back position, I start Almighty Cucurella. Yes, maybe after we win 60 minutes, we can substitute him to rest. Because if you are going to bench Cucurella, who are we going to play there? The players. No, we don't have any left back again. Yes, apart from or Jose Achampong can play there, guys. No, only Cucurella. Yes, we were having Vega now on loan to Juve, and even things are not working well for him there. Yes, and the right back position, I start, yes, Gusto and rest Rhys James, yes, for the Premier League game. In fact, our next Premier League game, Charlie, we must win it. As I said, my one eye is on that ECWC Town game. Yes. So guys, the right back position, I start Rhys James, and the midfield, I start Keenan and Caicedo. I wanted to bench Caicedo, but Charlie, if we bench Caicedo, who will play? Who can replace Caicedo very well? So this is where Santos returning next season is important. Let's hope he return and deliver, because playing for Strasbourg or playing in Ligue 1 is totally different. Playing in the Premier League, totally different. So let's hope next season he join and deliver and play very well. Yes, so that Caicedo will be resting in some games. And Keenan Drosborough Hall, these games are for him. These kind of games are for Keenan and not the likes of Brentford game must win. No. This type of players, they need less intensive game for them to use it to, yes, improve, adapt, yes, to the Premier League, to big team pressure. Yes, so Keenan is for this kind of games. For this game, he can even play 90 minutes. I don't care. But Premier League, where we needed to win, you bench Cole Palmer and put in Keenan. For that one, that is madness. I'm telling you, that is madness from Enzo Maresca, guys. Yes. So the midfield, Caicedo and Keenan, and the left wing position, I start George. Yes, Stroke George, and the right wing position, I start Neto. Yes, in this game, we need more attacking powers. Yes, more pressure from our attackers. As I said, we must win this game early. Yes, so that we can rest our Premier League players. Yes, to go and play the ECWC Town game. Yes. So guys, the attacking area, yes, Neto and Stroke George, and the attacking midfield area, Cole Palmer. I will start Cole Palmer. Some people will bench him, but for me, I will start him for the early goals to come, so that the 60 minutes or the second half we can rest Cole Palmer. And the striking position, I start Almighty Nicola Jackson. Almighty Nicola Jackson. As I said, when Jackson is there, yes, we create chances. You can see our attack flowing. Yes, creative runs. Even if Jackson will not score, he will create spaces for Cole Palmer and Co to score, so that we can get our early goals and goals. So guys, that is my starting 11 for this game. Let me hear from you under the comment section your starting 11 also for this game. And my score prediction for this game, I will say Chelsea 3, Legia 1. Yes, they will score. They are home. Or Legia 1, Chelsea 3. Yes. And I want to see Cole bringing an end to his goal drought. Yes. And even Jackson, I want to see these two guys scoring. Yeah, they can use this game to build their confidence or to bring their confidence back and their momentum. So guys, my score prediction, Legia 1, Chelsea 3. Let me hear from you also under the comment section your score prediction. So please guys, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. After the game, the review is coming. Turn on the notification bell. If any new video comes, you will be the first person to see it. Take care. Take care. Peace.